So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to change the background theme of the app here on the Discord application. So Discord's opened up. Once that is done, go to the bottom right and press on the U icon. Once you're here, go to the top right and press on the settings icon or the gear. Then scroll down to where it says app settings. Now there's a whole bunch of different languages or a whole bunch of different options right here. Where it says appearance in between accessibility and voice, simply press on appearance. Now once you're here at the top, it'll say theme. For me it's on automatic, but you can go ahead and press on that. Now what you can actually do is change the theme. So if you want to change this to like a darker theme, a little bit lighter, whatever the case may be. Maybe if you have custom themes, you can go ahead and do that. But if you wanted to go dark theme, for instance, you can go ahead and keep it like this, and your theme will stay the exact same. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to change the background theme on the Discord application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.